Here's some Sopwith Camel trivia. Subscribe. Which country primarily manufactured the Sopwith Camel? Is it A, France, B, Germany, C, United Kingdom, or D, United States? The correct answer is C, United Kingdom. In which conflict was the Sopwith Camel primarily used? Is it A, Korean War, B, World War I, C, Vietnam War, or D, World War II? The correct answer is B, World War I. What type of aircraft is the Sopwith Camel? Is it A, transport aircraft, B, bomber aircraft, C, fighter aircraft, or D, reconnaissance aircraft? The correct answer is C, fighter aircraft. What is the first flight year of the Sopwith Camel? Is it A, 1921, B, 1917, C, 1919, or D, 1913? The correct answer is B, 1917. What was the Sopwith Camel's main role? Is it A, naval warfare, B, escort duties, C, air superiority, or D, bombing missions? The correct answer is C, air superiority. What was a notable feature of the Sopwith Camel's design? Is it A, biplane configuration, B, tricycle landing gear, C, single wing design, or D, electric engine design? The correct answer is A, biplane configuration. What was the maximum speed of the Sopwith Camel? Is it A, 138 miles per hour, B, 160 miles per hour, C, 100 miles, or D, 120 miles per hour? The correct answer is A, 138 miles per hour. What distinct armament did the Sopwith Camel typically carry? Is it A, twin machine guns, B, bombs, C, single rifle, or D, torpedoes? The correct answer is A, twin machine guns. What was the official designation of the Sopwith Camel in military terms? Is it A, G7, B, D2, C, F1, or D, 22? The correct answer is C, F1. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.